All I do is chem, 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 no matter what. Got electrons on my mind when I study all this stuff. And every time I step up in the classroom, Miss Martin already know what's up. Quantum theory, quantum theory, quantum theory, wave properties. All I do is chem, chem, chem. And if you want to pass, try as hard as you can when you're in class. Look here, students will be rap about quantum theory, man. You learn everything. And if you do well on your test, and you try your best, no joke, yeah, you can learn anything. Like Heisenberg, you can be a scientist even if you don't know how to be the slickest. You can change the world forever by doing something good for the environment. And you might just think that school is boring. You might just be ignorant. Started to talk about wave equations in college. Try to fill your head with knowledge. And this is for real. It's the real deal. You might just want to listen in so you don't fail. And in this wave equation, but hope you know your atomic structure. Cause SBDF don't play around. This isn't easy, don't let it bring you down. And if you do that right, bring your appetite. Cause we gonna be eating good at the nicest restaurant in town tonight. All I do is chem, 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 no matter what. Get electron configuration on my mind when I study all the stuff. And every time I step up in the classroom, Miss Martin already know what's up. Upper principle, Pauli principle, and Hans rule. Rules governing configuration, cause all I do is chem, chem, chem. And if you wanna pass, try as hard as you can when you're in class. I wanna be a scientist, I wanna be a chemist, I wanna be a famous physicist like that guy Ernest. I wanna be the one who came about the suburb stun, chemist known around the world, Frederick Hund. Or the person who sets up a national fund to children everywhere learn about the rule of Hund. Rules governing electron configuration. Oh wait, don't forget about orbital notation. Biologists have to invent milk that somehow never spoils, or a notation in chemistry that includes orbitals. Really, this chapter is quite simple. It's easier than getting rid of that pimple. All I do is chem, 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 no matter what. Got elements on my mind when I study all this stuff. And every time I walk up in the classroom, Miss Marcy still knows what's up. Second and third, fourth and fifth, sixth and seventh, period. Till I know my periods. And if you want to pass, try as hard as you can when you're in class. Turn off the TV, pick up a chem book. If you think that cup is boring, you should take a second look. Get a good night's sleep, eat breakfast every day. Save the honey buns and chocolate chip cookies for another day. Make sure that you're doing your homework every night, so when it comes to tests, you'll fly high like a kite. And if you have a question, don't be afraid to ask. No need to hold it in like you do with bad gas. And in this classroom, everybody is welcome. And if someone doesn't quite get it, you help them. When all is said and done, we're trying to be excellent students of the past to college degree. And all I do is learn, 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 no matter what. Got hundreds on my mind when I study all the stuff. And every time I step up in the classroom, Miss Martin sees our hands go up. And it stays there, and it stays there, and it stays there till I'm called on, cause all I do is learn, 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 and if you want to pass, try as hard as you can when you're in class. I'm kind of in the mood for Oreos anyway. You know how the rest of the chapter goes. That's a wrap. Up, down, cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you wanna pass, try as hard as you can when you're in class. Okay, so I'm gonna start.
I'm in class.
Okay, so we're gonna start that. Ready?
Yeah.
Make